Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right now, it's hard not to notice how overheated and aggressive the memecoin market has become across Solana. New coins are launching every few minutes, and some of them start printing insane volume just seconds after going live. A quick look at the chart is enough to see how intense the market activity is at the moment. In this video, I want to talk about a non-standard and still very mean coin launch method on Solana, an approach that almost nobody is using yet. I'll explain how it's fundamentally different from traditional launches and break everything down using my own meme coin as a real example. Quick disclaimer: this is not financial advice. I am not a financial expert. Everything you see here is based purely on my personal experience and how I see the crypto market as a developer actively working within the Solana ecosystem. I'm experimenting with a memecoin launch format that delivers instant visibility, organic traffic, and real trader attention. No influencers, no Discord trades, and no paid ads. It might sound unusual, but in practice, this approach has already produced very strong results for me. That's exactly why I decided to share it publicly. In this video, you'll see how to launch a meme coin on Solana, how the token appears on DEX Screener almost immediately, and the market's reaction during the first minutes after launch. Make sure you watch until the end. I'll break down in detail how this meme coin strategy works, why it's starting to gain attention in the crypto space, how it differs from standard approaches, including questionable rug pull models, and why I personally believe this method is one of the most effective in the current market. All right, first thing first. We need this website. I'll drop a quick link to it in the video description. When you create a token using platforms like this, it automatically gets indexed by all major trackers, including DEX Screener and Axios. So the first thing I do is head over to DEX and look for any strong token that's trending right now. The reason for this is simple. It helps attract more buyers and keeps healthy volume flowing into our memecoin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to launch a Solana token from scratch and then rug pull it and get away with all the funds. We will use a site named Luna. This is huge because normally with Pump.fun, you need to go through their bonding curve, wait for qualification, and only then you appear on DEX tools. But today, we're skipping all of that and launching directly, which gives you way more visibility from the start. I'll also show you how to research a good narrative, how to create the token, and finally how to add liquidity properly so everything shows up correctly on DEX Screener. Let's get straight into it. Before we even touch token creation, let's talk about narrative, because this is where most people mess up. A token with no narrative is basically a shitcoin and it won't attract the buyers. What you want to do is look at current trends on crypto Twitter or check DEX Screener trending pairs. See what's already moving. Memes, AI, infra, culture coins, seasonal narratives. The best narratives usually combine something people already recognize, a simple name and symbol, and a story that's easy to explain in one sentence. Don't overcomplicate this. If people can't understand what the token is in 5 seconds, they won't buy it. Once you've locked in your narrative, then it's time to actually create the token. Okay, so I have done my research and got this token that I'm going to create. Now we're going to use a Solana token creation website called Luna. I've left the link in the description and also in the comment section. This platform allows us to skip Pump.fun completely and go straight to DEX Screener, which is exactly what we want because it gives the token instant visibility and attracts more buyers early on. So first things first, once you're on the website, go ahead and click Create Token. Now we're going to start filling in the basics. Choose your token name and your symbol. Keep it simple, readable, and easy to remember. Next is the image. I've already prepared mine, but you can create one yourself and upload it here. Make sure it looks clean, because this is what people see first on DEX Screener. After that, we move on to the description. What I usually do here is copy the description from the project's main website. You can do the exact same thing. It instantly makes the token look more legit and professional. All right, now let's scroll down to the socials section. These are technically optional, but I highly recommend filling them out. Add their Twitter, website, whatever they have. The more complete this looks, the more trust it builds with potential buyers. Now, this next part is extremely important. Do not skip this. At the bottom, we have the 3 revoke options. Revoke mint, revoke freeze, revoke update. You want to select all 3 of these. This makes sure no more tokens can be minted. The token can't be frozen and the metadata can't be changed later. If you miss this step, it can completely mess things up and people will instantly lose trust. So double-check that all 3 are selected before moving forward. Once that's done, the token setup itself is complete, and we're ready for the next step. After clicking Initialize, your wallet will pop up. The token creation fee is 0.5 SOL. I personally deposited extra SOL just to be safe, but technically you can do this with just 0.5 SOL. When you connect for the first time, you'll see a warning message saying the API isn't verified. This is completely normal. It just means the wallet hasn't interacted with this site before. Just remember, you'll need additional SOL later for liquidity. Go ahead and confirm the transaction, and that's it. Your token is officially live. Head back to Luna and click Liquidity Pools. This will redirect you to Raydium.io. Once you're on Raydium, go to Liquidity. Click Create. Select Standard AMM. This is the middle option. In the first field, select SOL. In the second field, paste your token address. Now choose how much liquidity you want to add. I'm using this amount here, but you can add 1 SOL, 2 SOL, or whatever fits your strategy. Set the fee tier to 2%. This is the most common and works well for new tokens. Click Proceed. Your wallet pops up. Confirm the transaction. Give it a moment to process. I will see you on Dex Screener when my token is live. And just like that, liquidity is added. If we now check Dex Screener, we can already see our token listed. This is the big advantage of skipping Pump.fun. You appear immediately. Typically, it takes about 10 to 20 minutes for buyers and bots to start noticing the pair. From here, everything depends on your narrative, your marketing, and how you manage the project. Now, as you can see, our token is on fire. We are getting so many buyers. If you want to rug pull it now, you can do it, or you can also wait for more money to come in, but I want to rug pull it. The process is very easy and simple from here. Go to Raydium and refresh your page until you see your portfolio. Click it. There you will see the amount you want to remove. You'll do 100% and click Remove Liquidity, and you will literally make $1,000 to $3,000 from just 0.5 Solana. Alright guys, that is for today. Hit the like button if this guide has worked for you and let me know in the comments the amount you have